1 cup. That's it. Beautiful. Hello guys, it's Allie in the kitchen with my friends, and we're making molasses cookies.
Oh, hello.
If you do not know what molasses is this stuff. Okay, it's basically sugar. Molasses. See, ingredient, molasses.
Yes, what a sugar.
So, first thing you do is you get 1 cup of white sugar.
I want to
And then you put that into a big, not big, medium-sized big bowl. Put in here, sugar. There we go. Okay. Put the bowl down.
good enough?
It needs to be melted.
Well, there's little chunks. Ow, it's burnt! It's burnt, Allie!
Put it back in. I can still see like big chunks. So once you get that 1 cup of sugar in there, because you have sugar over here, so you need to just wash them off. Okay. Next, you need to crack 1 egg.
Can it see me? It can? Oh.
And then baking soda.
Nope, that's not yet.
Oh, you actually put baking soda in cookies?
Put that in the garbage.
Yeah.
So when you're done with your egg, you make sure you rinse off your hands. Next, after you have that, my friend Dylan here is melting some butter, which you need to put that in the garbage. So you need 3/4 of a cup of butter, in with your salt and egg mixture. So,
Shut up! I'm getting in it too.
so then, after you're done that, alright.
So,
A little bit.
Okay.
It's just a little bit.
you take the molasses and
Move! Oh! What the hell are you doing?
oh,
Oh my god!
I would never dog lead it.
Put that thing.
No thanks.
Okay.
I ain't getting that in my
The
mouth.
butter will be hot. Now you need 1/4
Note that.
of a cup of molasses. I use grandma's molasses because it's really good,
Molasses.
but molasses is really not good.
Molasses.
Molasses cookies are good, but the molasses by itself is terrible.
Can I try it? Can I try it? Will you let me try it?
I will. I just need to get all.
Oh, try it with me.
No, that's nice.
So while they're acting like children, and I'm
I
acting
thought you were gonna throw that at me.
and I'm acting like Paula Deen, obviously.
I want to get in it next.
So next, what you do, you need to move like away. You need to make sure that's all nice and mixed in good, nice and mixed. But you need to make sure you don't have any clumps of anything,
Clumps of egg.
aka the butter, which
I'll be
means,
looking, you're about to start twerking.
which some of it's still frozen, but you know, gotta roll with the punches.
That smells terrible.
It doesn't taste terrible. So there's still a little bit more clumps of
I wanna do it.
butter in there,
My turn.
but anyways, yeah.
What's next?
So next, in a separate bowl, which should be normal, no, we don't need that. Which normally should be smaller, you need 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
I want to do it.
All right, get the cup measure
Where's the cup?
right
measure?
here in my hand, which I'm holding
My
up.
turn.
No, come over to this side.
Army! I'm not going to be able
Now
to
come
see.
over here
What am I
and
doing?
just clear out all the sugar.
No, you just want me to clean stuff.
And if you want to do it, then you're gonna clean this out.
You didn't clean nothing yet. You just doing all the work.
Because I'm mixing something.
I want to mix.
No. Clean this and then you'll do something.
No.
Fine,
Whoa.
then you'll do anything. So next, you just want to set your molasses,
Okay,
sugar,
I'm basically a
butter
pro.
mixture.
Snip, snip.
Why do you have that knife?
Taking a picture.
You want to take this and just
I
set
did
it
it.
Just don't hit
and
it.
set it aside. Like so. Up on the camera.
He won't
Next.
respond. That means he don't like me anymore.
You take a bowl. Make sure everything is cleaned out of it.
Ashen
AKA sugar. Got it. And then you go over to your flour. Ew, that was gross. And you want 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
5 minutes, 2 minutes left. It can do.
I have some time on mine.
So 1
Dear Lord.
Holy nut.
Holy nutcracker.
and 2 cups. Why are you holding that?
I have to get in here.
Why?
How am I gonna be in the video? I'm not holding something. I want to show the video.
Okay, next you get your baking soda. Baking soda. Now this is a very important part.
So pay
You want
attention.
That'll kill you.
2 teaspoons of baking soda.
2 whole teaspoons.
2 whole teaspoons.
2 whole ones?
2 whole ones.
Really?
Not 3 whole ones. Not 1 whole one. 2 whole ones.
Not 2 1/2. Not 2
See,
3/4.
if you get the Arm & Hammer baking soda, it has this little thing where you can stick it in and then you rub it up against it. Alright. Next you need half a teaspoon of ground ginger.
We're just guessing here.
Yep. Then we need a teaspoon of cinnamon, which
Just toss it up in there,
no,
Pauline.
don't toss this one up in there because cinnamon can make it
Kill
taste
you.
bad.
Can kill. It actually can.
Yeah, if it gets stuck in your throat.
Hashtag
No,
cinnamon
it
challenge.
like.
And you just want to put a dash.
Oh my
2
god.
dashes of salt. Next, you need to take your spoon,
Be careful, don't want diabetes.
which has your molasses.
Jill has like type 2 diabetes in her food.
And you want to mix all of your dry ingredients.
I want to mix them.
No, you didn't clean anything, so. Hope, if you rinse out all them measuring cups in there.
Oh, heck no. I'm not here for cleaning. I'm here for doing.
Well, chefs have to clean.
You didn't clean one bit yet.
What do you think I'm... Okay.
Yep, it's done. Well,
So then you
Are
want...
those all of your dry ingredients?
Yeah. So then you want to pour your wet